Oh, you can, Matt, you can clearly see there's a distinct difference between right here and right here.
Oh, absolutely.
So I
you
mean,
can see from this side, this half of the tire is worn down. This hasn't even been touched yet.
now we can take this tire off and reverse it. By reversing it, you really have to go on this side because you have to take this one off.
Yeah, well, it's supposed to be like in-field replacement. No?
You're hot. I mean, that's correct, man.
Good small compact is what you get.
You stripped that down, didn't you? Strip the case off of it?
Probably sell it.
That's good.
Yeah, it's arrow stitch. Guy, you were broken down or what were you doing? We got right, so it's coming loose. Set the bar like this. Okay. You all right? Yeah, it was, I just couldn't need to check it, so I tightened it up. It's a rubber. They're getting. So I gotta go run. It's done. Let it go. He's in a different boat. Right. All I see is like in the grass, like dust. Oh my! And I'm like, just cook the corner, and I'm like, go and I pull up, and he's like, oh, he's laying in the ditch. He's not that far from getting his hand in the mud water. I was like,
yeah, for some reason, Dave, when I go to the day by day page, it only scroll up to 6.
Go to your rider profile,
yeah,
and then on the bottom, when you scroll through, you can hit your score. If you can't, some of the phones for some reason don't scroll.
We got out of there.
so I had 6 up, and then I just typed the 7, and went to that, and then it wouldn't let me. It was weird. It wouldn't let me do it.
Go to your rider profile page.
Yeah,
and
I got it.
Find the scorecard on that.
I got it to work.
Okay, good.
But it was had a new shortcut to save another 2 miles. So the route went like this. The route went like this and then over, and I had a shortcut here, which was really cool.
Right.
So I missed the official road close sign.
I saw the official road close sign.
Oh, I didn't see it.
All the way back around.
I get to the road closed. I get to the closed part, and I go, I'll bet you way back where I did that shortcut, there was probably a road close sign. So I go, please let me be able to get by this. And sure enough, it was about that much around each side.
No shit.
And I could go on it, and it was an old bridge, it was perfectly intact. And I go, now I'm going to get to the other end of the bridge, and I look at God.
It's not a big hole.
And it was fine.
Oh, you shit me!
But you know, that was the long way where the way you went short.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, well.
By the time I was already there at that sign,
yeah.
then I had to backtrack.
You went up, right.
Then I had to backtrack back around and look around.
How did you know it was closed, Dave? Did you just see the sign?
No,
he looked online.
No, we were looking last night at the Blue Ridge closure.
Yeah.
And I said, let's look at tomorrow's route. And then the GPS software, wouldn't allow me to go. It kept like driving me to Memphis.
Right.
Really? And I'm like,
what's going on?
I told him, I said, something's closed here.
Right.
I don't know what. So I just kept dragging the line until it didn't take me to Memphis.
Okay.
That's
so,
all I did.
Okay, so, but now of course
like I'm
Google
not
Maps will
going to-
know about that. That road's been closed for years. So I don't know how. Oh, I know why. It's because base camp doesn't know about anything.
Well,
No, base camp wasn't allowing him to go down through there.
yeah, base. But I have the brand new 2019.
Oh, I have old stuff.
Yeah.
So that's how you originally did it, though, right?
I originally did it with the 2000, whatever version of the 17.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Take
it.
pains to avoid that once you do.
Was it all just straight? Just
Most of Oklahoma, yeah, just straight, like this way, this way, this way. And a couple road closures, that was a pain in the butt.
Yikes.
broke or missing?
The K66s, which is only in the 30s, and I could run the stock weights with those, but for the 140s I had to switch to Dr. Pulley sliders.
Because the tires.
It's up gears a little bit. Yeah, so it was a little bit too tall with the stock weight, and it just wouldn't pull on the hills or anything. So
That's why I'm having trouble in the really steep stuff.
yeah, that'll do it.
Mine only get 35. I'm going 40, 42, 45.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I put the Dr. Pulleys in, and that's helped.